Hello everyone! It's been a long time since the last class, right? I've really missed you. Of course you guys all didn't miss me. I know. Okay, like I said at the end of the previous class, I'm here to announce my new reading class. Of course, this class is for beginners who have taken my classes in order. We have covered Korean alphabet, pre-elementary course, Korean grammar for beginners, and listen and repeat for beginners, right? Those who have covered these classes can start a reading class with me. It's called Jeongrila Reading for Beginners. I know. I'm not good at making a title. Okay, we're going to proceed this class with a Korean storybook created by me. So first, I'm going to introduce my storybook to you. Let's go! Okay, this is a 22-page Korean ebook, which is a storybook for beginners. You see the book cover, right? The title is 𝗷𝗏𝗏 깨달음. 𝗷𝗏𝗏 깨달음. Well, anyway, there is a proper illustration on each page, like this. So, you can visualize the story in your brain while reading. You can see all the illustrations and sentences, right? Here, right? If you print them out, it'll be like this. I did on B5 size paper. You can see that, right? Here, this. Yes, this. So, it looks really clear and portable. So, you can write my explanation down on the pages in person as well, okay? So, this is how my book looks, okay? And before getting in, I wrote down how to use this book as well. So here, right, you can get some tips for classes too, which is I'm going to tell you from now on, okay? We're going to read around 2 pages in one class, okay? So, I assume this reading series consists of about 10 classes or so, okay? We're going to read together from the beginning to the end. Every Friday is our class day, so you just read 2 pages until each Friday, okay? In the class, you can write down my explanation and the meaning of the words, and reread the part you learned after the class. It's our promise, okay? Pinky promise. Because I will give you a small vocabulary quiz at the beginning of every class. So, there might be a vocabulary test from the second class on. Okay? Great idea, right? Don't punch me. But this small test can help you build your vocabulary. Okay? And one more thing. It is really important to read out loud as well for pronunciation practice. For this, I made an audiobook MP3 file as well, so you can imitate my pronunciation. Okay? To put it shortly, there are going to be around 10 classes on my channel. Each class will be uploaded every Friday. You can purchase my storybook and audiobook file together. And in every class, you can take a small vocabulary quiz. So, if you get purchased the book, you can do all of this. Good combination, right? Then, how to purchase the material? You can purchase the storybook and audio file by clicking the link in the comment and description section down there. The price, it is, drumroll please, it is $8.99. Well, I was pondering on the price, and with some help from my friends, I think this might be reasonable to you all. So, from the next week, we can start our reading class together. Are you excited? Only me? Anyway, I hope this would help you to improve your Korean skill. Well, I really want to thank you for watching this up until this part, and thank you for your support all the time. I hope we can see in our next class, okay? Well, until then, have a nice day. See you next week. Bye-bye.